Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sheet and going straight to the rows you want gone. Click the row number at left, drag or shift-click to select contiguous rows. Once selected, right-click and choose Delete Rows X, Y so the rows are fully removed, not just cleared. You do this because deleting collapses the sheet and preserves relative references where possible. Make sure to check frozen rows above so you don't accidentally shift header rows out of place. If the rows are non-contiguous, you mark them first. Create a helper column and enter an indicator like X next to each row to remove. Once marked, turn on Data, create a filter, and filter the helper column to show only the marked rows. With only those rows visible, select their row numbers, right-click and choose Delete Rows. Google Sheets deletes the underlying rows even though you only saw filtered ones. This avoids repeated manual selections and keeps surrounding data intact. Once deletion is complete, scan adjacent rows and headers to confirm layout and formula integrity. You can use Edit Undo or Ctrl+Z immediately if something went wrong. Google Sheets remembers recent deletes. If formulas now show errors because they referenced removed rows, update their ranges, or revert to a previous version via File Version History. Make sure to save a backup copy before large deletes so you can recover quickly if a reference broke. Adjusting the range often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.